Hi, my loves. Welcome back. I am so excited about today's reveal. Yes, it is a Kelly. I have a new Kelly to show you. Oh my goodness, I've got story time. Yeah, on how I got this bag. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Mel. Come join the fam. Just hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so you're notified each time I upload. Okay, I'm just going to get straight into the reveal. But first, as I always do, I want you guys to guess what Kelly you think I got. So pause the video, seriously, just pause and comment below. What Kelly do you think I got? You can do size and color because you guys seem to know me very well. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, so you've commented and let's see if you were right. So in here, I'm just so excited. I've got, so in the dust bag, it's got all the, pillow and all the raincoat and everything. Let me just put this down. May I present to you my Kelly. This is my Kelly 25 in my Holy Grail red Rouge Casaque. For those of you in my fam bam, you know how much I have been wanting a Rouge Casaque Kelly. And honestly, I think Rouge Casaque is the most beautiful Hermes red, and that is why I have been wanting to add it to my collection. Now this twilly here is my own twilly, but how well does it go? I think it matches beautifully. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I did this, do let me know as well. But yes, it is the Cellier construction. So the one where you can see the stitching on the outside. So Cellier means structured. Retourne is relaxed, where you can see the piping. If you want to see an in-depth comparison between size 25 and 28 and Cellier versus Retourne, I will link it above. I did an in-depth video. Everything you need to know about the Kelly is in there. But anyway, back to this beauty. I have been waiting for this Kelly for so long. And actually in Hawaii in 2018, I was offered a 25 Kelly, same size, same combo, everything, but it was in Rouge de Coeur, which was very similar, but I wanted Rouge Casaque. And I knew if I got that, I would just always be wanting this. So I'm glad I said no to it. I ended up picking my mini Kelly instead, which I love, but this is a true red. Now this Rouge Casaque has got like an undertone of blue. It is just beautiful. I don't know what to say. So next question you're probably asking is, Mel, where did you get this red Kelly from? Because as you know, Rouge Casaque is not currently in production. Although it is, a classic Hermes red, it's not like Hermes does this red all the time. Colors that they always do is black, gold, a taupe. Those are colors that, every season you'll see. But, certain reds or pinks or all their colors, it's seasonal. So this baby I actually got from Eclaire Atelier. Now you guys know that I've worked with Eclaire for 1.5 years and I've got 2 Kellys from them already. My Gris Pearl size 28 Kelly and also my Juan Ombre Kelly, which I got last year for my 40th birthday. But despite all that, I've always asked Eclaire, if you ever see a Rouge Casaque Kelly, let me know. And that's exactly what they did. This one actually, it came with everything, the works, the box, the receipt. It was bought in Italy at January of this year, but it is stamped from last year's production. But that's okay. I don't mind whether it's a Z stamp or a Y stamp or whatever, as long as it's in brand new condition. It's got all the stickers. So it's not a true unboxing because I did open it up. But yes, it did come with all the dust bag and everything. And let me show you inside, because I also got my new insert. How beautiful is this? This is in Azalea or Azalea. It's from 7RP. It's one of their new colors. And I had to pick this pink to go with my Kelly. Again, you guys know I've worked with 7RP for 4.5 years. I love their inserts, but if you own Hermes Kelly, Hermes Birkin, Evelyn or Pinkerton, their inserts are honestly the best. And you know, they are super soft, super luxurious. I've gone on and on about these, but it's really important if you're purchasing, you know, such an expensive bag to protect the inside of your bag, because, you know, Hermes doesn't spar the inside of your bag. What do you think of that combo? Is that not a match made in heaven? Love, love it. So my highest code is available, which is MIM40 for 40 euros off, or MIM85 for 85 euros off. And yeah, I just love it. So that came in time, but of course it comes with, you know, the little felt cover, the beautiful shoulder strap, which I have not even opened up yet. It's still got the stickers. It's never been used. And the little clochette. And I really wanted the gold hardware because I just love the ruche casaque with the gold. So thank you so much to Eclaire Atelier for finding me this beauty. I love them as a company, and not because I'm just working with them, because as you guys know, I've worked with them for 1.5 years, probably nearly 2 years now. But in order to get, you know, my beautiful Kelly, I did have to sacrifice something. And remember on my video where there was a tag, you know, 5 bags to keep, 5 bags to sacrifice? Can you think of what bag I sacrificed? Call it out. If you said my Constance in Rose Sakura, you are right. So what I actually did, and a lot of you may not know this, and it's so helpful, is that I actually got Eclaire Atelier to sell my Constance. And the process is just so easy. So I wanted to go through that with you, because that is another option. Just say you do have an Hermes bag, whether it's a Kelly or a Birkin or a Constance or even Pinkertons. It's really a good idea, if you haven't been using them as much, to think about consigning them. And so what happened is that I had asked Oliver, who is the owner of Eclaire Atelier, okay, so I'm thinking of selling my Rose Sakura Constance. And so he goes, okay, Mel, just send me pictures. So I sent him pictures. And then what happened was both of us agreed on a price. So I already had sort of done my research and I knew sort of what they were sort of going for. And then he would also advise me, this is what I think we can get for it. So on that price, which we agreed, I actually got the full amount once the bag is sold. So you know how like a lot of consignment stores, they're like, oh, I'm going to take 30% of the purchase price, or, you know, 25% or whatever. Eclaire works really differently, and I really like that about them. So I'm going to give you an example. So just say I'm consigning this red Kelly, which I'm not, by the way, but just say I'm like, okay, I want 15,000 for it. So and I'll be happy with that. And I've done my research. So Eclaire and you would agree to that price. Now, what Eclaire does is, depending on the bag, they will mark it up. So sometimes it could be 1,000, sometimes 1,500, sometimes 2,000. It depends on the bag, how rare it is, things like that. So whatever price the bag sells for, you will get your 15K, the amount that both of you had agreed on. And I just think that is fabulous. So then what happened is I sent him all the pictures and he's like, Mel, it's in perfect condition, which I knew my Constance was. Basically, he just sent me all the shipping labels and I just had to pack the bag up and ship it off. And then it arrived to the destination in a couple of days. And then a couple of days later, I got a message from Oliver and said, your bag's sold. And I'm like, oh my goodness, that quick. And I think that's because if you send your bag in, physical consignment, that's what they call physical consignment, always sort of sells faster than, say, virtual. For those of you that don't know, they've actually got 3 stores. One they opened earlier this year in Cambodia, in the capital city, Phnom Penh. I think that's how you say it. And they've got a small showroom in Malaysia in KL. But I'm super excited to announce that they are going to be opening a brand new store in Singapore. To all my Singaporean followers, I'm so jealous. They're going to be opening end of July. Oh my goodness, I wish I could go to Singapore to check it out. I'm so excited. They've signed. So I thought, can I share the news? And they're like, yep. So of course I had to share it with you. Anyway, they've got these 3 amazing stores. And that's why I wanted to send my bag in, because that would be the best way to sell my bag the quickest. Of course, there is the possibility of virtual consignment as well. And virtual consignment is just that you take all the pictures. Sorry guys, not sure what happened to the audio. Anyway, yep, you take the pics and Eclaire will advise what sort of pictures and details they need about your bag. And then once you've agreed on the price, they will post this on their Instagram account. Once the bag is sold, they send you all the shipping labels and all you need to pack it up. DHL guy will come to your doorstep and you ship the bag off to them. They obviously need to authenticate it, double check the condition is as what you've said. And then once the buyer pays, you get your payment. So, they don't physically have the product. So because I knew that I already had, as you guys know, I have a size 25 in Rose Sakura already in Retourné. So I was happy to consign my pink Sakura C18, Constance 18, and then use the funds of that to put into this. And because I got a really good price for my Constance, it's not like I had to, this is by the way at a premium. Oh, by the way, for any Hermes resellers, I think you guys know by now, but it is at a premium because these bags are so hard to get. If anything, the premium is just getting more and more. But I find Eclaire's prices very reasonable. I've seen some resellers sell for way more, but they do sell around market rate and sometimes they have these fabulous deals happening. So I was really happy with what I got this for. And absolutely thrilled with the price that I got for my Constance as well. So that's what happens. And then, once it's sold and then they receive the funds from the buyer, then they just transferred that straight into my bank account. But if you do live in Cambodia or Singapore or Malaysia, you can, obviously, it would be much easier for you to physically consign. So I'll leave their details down below and basically you can just call the number or WhatsApp the number and they'll go through all that process with you. So it's even easier for you guys. But it's really good to know for the rest of the world, like myself, the process was just super easy. So I really recommend if there's any bags you're thinking of wanting to sell. Oh, I forgot to mention, they also do a buyout price. So just say you had this bag and you're like, do you want to just buy it straight off me? They can offer you a buyout price or you can consign with them. I didn't even realize that they do so much buyout as well. But it does depend on the bag you have on what price that will be. But, it doesn't hurt to ask Eclaire, would you buy my Pinkerton or my garden party? So do make sure you check them out, not just for consigning, but they are also getting beautiful brand new stock from all over the world. I just love my new Kelly. I was a little bit sad to see my Constance go, but it was really, really worth the trade because I've been wanting this for so long. So that is my new Kelly. And if you're wondering, this is also a new Hermes lippy that I got, and this time it's the matte in Rouge Indienne. Now, I purposely didn't want to wear red lipstick because you're like, oh, Mel is so predictable. If she wears red, she'll unbox a red Kelly. So today I purposely wore pink, but I'm loving it so much. And I forgot to show you, I also picked up another one of, this is their tinted lip enhancers. I'm not going to try it on, but I have got one satin, one matte, which is the Rouge Indienne. I think I like the matte better. A little lip enhancer because I've heard really, really good things. And let me just show you this twirly that I had to pick up. It is stunning. I think I might need to get another one. How beautiful is this? So it is a special limited edition one. See all the marbling through it? It's even got an Hermes pink label here, and this is just so beautiful. I mean, I don't think it goes on my red Kelly, but it definitely does match a lot of my pink Hermes bags. I just love it, and every single one is a little bit different depending on where, you know, they've cut the scarf. So that was just a mini unboxing I wanted to show you. So if you are after like a specific Birkin or Kelly, I do recommend going the reseller route because you can get exactly what you want. Yes, you do pay a premium, but you don't have to play the Hermes game. And we all know with the Hermes game, a lot of the times you have to buy a certain amount to even be offered these elusive bags. Now, does that mean I won't buy in store? Absolutely not. I love the store experience, but I also love buying from consignment stores, from resellers such as Eclaire Atelier that have physical locations, because if I'm after a specific combo, that's the beauty of it. You can get exactly what you want. So I hope you found all that information useful. If you have any other questions, let me know down below, but I will leave Eclaire's Instagram down below. Do go check them out. If you haven't already, give them a follow. Tell them Mel sent me. They're going to look after you. I trust them. I wouldn't, you know, get 3 Hermes bags from them and consign my own bag with them if I didn't. If you wanted to make use of the 7RP insert code, I will leave all the details down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I'm saying one final goodbye to my beautiful Rose Sakura Constance 18. I am actually sending it for consignment to Eclaire Atelier. It's so easy. I've got all the labels that they've already arranged pick up. I just wanted to record and say bye one more time. It is a beautiful bag, but as you guys know, I do have pink Kelly 25 in the same colorway. So this is in absolutely perfect condition. But, you know, a new baby is going to be coming, so I have to let something go. So bye-bye, Miss Rose Sakura. So she is going all the way to Cambodia.